Hi guys, welcome to Corn Dog Caravan. Today I'm going to be making my mom's beef and noodles. It just so happens to be my favorite meal growing up. With one big exception. My mom didn't have an Instant Pot, so I've adapted her recipe for our 3-quart Instant Pot. This recipe is pretty simple. It has hamburger, got an onion soup mix, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, beef broth, and of course egg noodles. Once we get that all cooked up in the Instant Pot, we are then going to finish it off with sour cream and of course a cornstarch slurry. The first thing we're going to do for the recipe today is we are going to brown the hamburger meat, and we can do that inside our Instant Pot by hitting the Sauté button. You want to make sure that your cooking is on more. And while that's heating up, we're going to chop some onions. I'm no chef in the kitchen, and cutting up vegetables actually makes my husband very nervous, so I'm using the chopper. Now that you see that our Instant Pot says hot, it's ready. So I'm going to add the meat. Now we're going to brown the meat. This should just take a few minutes. Now that the hamburger is all browned, I'm going to remove it and drain it, and then we're going to start sauteing the onions. I'm now going to add my onion and saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want them cooked completely through because they're going to cook when I set the Instant Pot. Now that my onions are lightly brown, a little translucent, I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic. Saute that in for just another minute. Now we're going to add the beef back into the Instant Pot. Stir that up good. While we're combining everything, I'm going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire and a packet of Lipton onion soup mix, and make sure everything is combined really well. Now that everything's combined, we're going to hit the cancel button and turn it off. At this point, we're going to add our beef broth. I like using better than bouillon. And I think I'm going to need just a little bit more water. I'm adding another cup of water. Now I'm just going to add the noodles right on top. Now what I want to do is make sure the noodles are submerged, but I don't want them stirred up in the Instant Pot. They just need to get just enough liquid. All right, put your lid on and set your valve to sealing. Go to the pressure cook button, and we're gonna cook for 7 minutes. All right, guys, we're gonna hit that cancel button, and today we're gonna do a quick release. Waiting for the pin to drop. That is extremely important. Once the pin drops, I'm going to gently mix the beef and noodles, and I'm going to add a little cornstarch slurry to give us a little bit of a thickening. Those noodles look perfect. Now we're going to add a half a cup of sour cream. All right, let's bowl it up. All right, let's bowl this up. Delish. Just like my mom used to make. So if you enjoyed this video, please go over to our channel at Corn Dog Caravan and subscribe. Give us a nice little thumbs up and give us some of your comments down below. Let me know if you make it and let me know if you like it. Bye for now.